So, this is a video presentation of the feeding of our three lovely animals. Upstairs, there's a tarantula that you won't have to worry about, except to make sure there's water in his little bowl. Okay, so to feed the animals, we've got two metal bowls for the two dogs, Bella, Piper, and then a little porcelain bowl for the kitty that we put a small amount of water in. Just like that. And then the food is here in the refrigerator. Kitty food, dog food. The kitty gets 1/4 of a can for each feeding. There's 3/4 missing, so he's getting what's left in here. So 1/4 can per feeding for the cat. And you mush it up. Now we're going to get kibbles for the dogs. Piper, Bella. So in here is the dog food. There's two lines on here. The top line is Bella. The lower line is Piper. We fill it to the top line for Bella. And the lower line for Piper. There's medicine for the dogs right here. This one here is half of a pill. So a pill looks like this. Snap it in half. You take 2/4 into Bella's bowl. And then 2 of these white ones into Bella's bowl. Now she'll see those and eat around them, so we take a little bit of the kitty food, put it on top of each pill to fake her out, and that's how Bella's looks. And then I take about this much for Piper's, throw it in there and mix it up really good. We love the kitty food for some damn reason. So we put the mixture of kitty food and doggy kibbles for Piper. And then this is some kidney food. It's probably a racket, but what the hell. It's just I kind of scrape it up a little bit. And put it to the side just like that. Don't mix it up. He's a knucklehead, and for some reason he won't eat it if it's mixed up. And then, of course, we have to straighten out Coco's food so it looks really appetizing. And that's it. So the important thing is that dogs need to be fed separately. So I start with Piper, excuse me. Come here, Piper. Piper can eat here. He sometimes takes a while. And Bella goes out here, and she eats extremely fast. And you have to put the doggy door down, because Bella will finish, and she'll come in, and she'll try to get Piper's food, and they'll get into a big fight, and somebody will die. Just kidding. But they'll fight, and it's no fun. So now Coco, who's laying here on the carpet, gets to eat. So we take his smushed up food, little piece of paper. I'm going to show it to him. He's going to get all excited. And then we take it into his room. It goes right here. Then this one goes into the kitchen. We wash it so it's ready for tomorrow. Or the next meal, I should say. Then everything gets put back. Lid on the can. This can gets thrown away, it's empty. Now when there's no kitty food or doggy food, it can be found in here. Dog food, cat food is the small cans. And then put the pills back. That's it. Back in the fridge.